Hello, my name is Joseph Young and I'm one of the game developers from Get Those Commies Off the Green. As of recording, the game has already been published on itch.io and also the game trailer has already been out. But anyways, let's get to the business, shall we? As previously stated from the devlog, the past devlog that is, there were a lot of work. March is notorious for a lot of this stuff because, well, it is the month before exams. You'll mostly have tons of work. Now, most of these work are kind of manageable. The only problem is though, one of my other courses, which is the user interfaces, is really bad. Like the content's not hard, but it's just that the professor's really not really organized. So we were supposed to have our assignments a few weeks before what was attendance, but no. Unfortunately, what happened was, she literally published the next 2 of our assignments and said, yo, you have 1 week to do all this, which will be fine if it didn't take freaking 2 weeks. And considering that not only other group mates and other people have other courses to do and all this stuff, I know some of the people have 5 or 6 other courses they have to take, and then all of a sudden oh bad, seriously. So unfortunately I have to spend a lot of time working on these kind of courseworks. I told the team and thankfully they came back and actually helped me take care of most of the work, so I didn't spend really a lot of the time in the development doing it at this phase. But I still did some work when I still had time to. So while everyone was working on the more important stuff, I will be the one working on the stuff that they couldn't have done. So things such as the main menu, the level select screen, and the tutorial and stuff, there were a lot of problems allocating the manpower for certain things. So for example, Merly, who was supposed to work on the main menu and stuff, really did not actually work on them because he was called to do golf mode instead, because there was a bunch of problems that they couldn't understand that needed his expertise. So a lot of the work was assigned was undone, so I was the one who actually cleaned up the mess, and we kind of cracked down finishing off the features that the game needed in order to make it a minimum viable product. And we got through that and it was pretty good. We have a few weeks left. It was okay, let's spend the time, fix the bugs, do whatever it is. That's it. And the entire team agreed, we all agreed, but Dan didn't get the memo, and what happened was he introduced a whole bunch of features. So we had actually went there to fix those bugs, which was not fun, if I have to say. It was pretty torturous, and considering that I have to still work on my other course stuff, it's pretty laborious. But thankfully we got that through, we finished that, and most of the bugs that were taken was gone. There was still some major bugs, but we'll continue on working on those. And then during the final stages of our development, Dan noted out that the AI is starting to have trouble with navigating around the level and around the obstacles. There were a lot of problems with AI navigation. I went on to fix on them as much as I could. I would fix the AI's navigation a little bit. I did fix most of the big problems, and then Dan did the final touches of the fix. So thank Dan for that. We still have problems around the edges of the map, but Dan changed the fact that how the spawning works, so we move it more inland, which goes against what we originally intended how the spawning should work, where we spawn out on the side, but instead we spawn them now in the middle. And although it looks a bit weird, it still worked fine because no one was really paying attention to that, and it is pretty much a silly game, so we're not trying to be a AAA game or anything, so yeah, it was fine. And we even got to playtest the game multiple times, actually. Heck, here's even some real life footage. Oh wow, look at this. I'm getting some food, I'm working, and there looks like a bunch of people there. Yo guys, you want some fried? Oh, right. But anyways, playtest was really good. We got a bunch of stuff that we didn't know. We actually took in the factor dance and fixed those bugs. Now we're here, the final stages of the development. We will go on to fix up and touch up a bunch of stuff. I will go on to make the website, the trailer, a dial page. The rest of the team will still continue on working on the development. They will touch up bugs and everything. All is well, I published the build, everything was done. All right. And then Dan added more stuff again, at night. Yay, fun. Time to go fix some more stuff again. Yeah. We did eventually fix more stuff. Dan still added more stuff, but that's okay. At this point, I stopped caring. Seriously, I'm so tired. And so yeah, that's the end of today's devlog. Now I know it's a bit short, considering that there's only 2 videos of the entire development cycle of Get Those Commies Off the Green, but considering the fact that this project is literally a 2-month group project, and that, as I said, that was a lot of work, so I had to comprise like each of these months and weeks into like a singular video. Now, in the future of this project, Dan is still considering continue developing this game past is in prototype state, so it will still be there. For the rest of the group mates, I have no idea what they will do. Probably some of them will join, some of them will leave, but as for me, I won't be longer partaking in the development cycle of Get Those Commies Off the Green, as I will now focus on my actual project, well, grad project to be fair, for potential 2 of my works. Now, before you cry about that, oh, I'm leaving the project for good, that's the end of like my journey for Get Those Commies Off the Green, Dan still openly explained that I'm still welcome to join back anytime I want, but of course, as I've said, I'm gonna work on my own projects, and thus I want to actually start my own journey for good. This is the last time I'll be making devlog for Get Those Commies Off the Green, and potentially I'll make other content, not just like the devlog for the game for other game projects, but also other content relating to how university life is, and probably just some other, I don't know, dumb stuff. But yeah, that's the end, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys later.